This exceptional custom-built home offering a true homestead property paradise is located on almost 6 peaceful acres just above the Molalla River. It's a one-of-a-kind property offering warm and welcoming grounds. From the long private driveway, discover magical spaces where it's easy to imagine the memories made here around the fire pit, the years of children's laughter, or tending to the luscious fruit trees. It's also home to not one, but 2 shops. But first, we'll take you inside this thoughtfully designed 5-level home, where large windows, a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, and endless views frame the living room. The gourmet kitchen features every amenity for the chef in the family, including a cooktop island, 2 pull-out spice drawers, and every cupboard has pull-out shelving to maximize use of space. Or head to the large deck, where you can enjoy the tranquil park-like setting and abundant wildlife. Up a few stairs, you'll find an office or craft room with built-ins. On the top level, this vaulted primary suite is privately located with treehouse-style views of mountains and farmlands. Plus, it has an ensuite bath and a large walk-in closet. This 5-bedroom home has 3 bedrooms on one of the main levels, and the home offers an incredible use of space, perfect for multi-generational living. A full, finished daylight basement includes a generous living space, plus storage closets, and 1 bedroom. You'll find an extra bath just off the garage. The home's gorgeous craftsmanship includes lumber milled straight from the property. Unwind on the deck, or explore the incredible treehouse equipped with power, and it even has its own slide. The expansive property is ready for making more memories, with everything you need for outdoor fun with family or friends. You'll find plenty of parking, and with 2 shops, one is perfect for boat and RV storage. The other includes an office, full bath, kitchenette, and plenty of space for all of your toys. Plus, it has 2 3-ton cranes, flexible spaces, and land for so many uses. Put into every inch of this property is unparalleled. Come see in person all that comes with this piece of paradise. It's ready and waiting for loving new owners, all here on Paradise Lane. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Vivian Chappell with Premier Property Group.